Hello IG Garage family, if your OBD-II scanner is showing the P0053 HO2S Heater Resistance Bank 1 Sensor 1 code, don't worry. This code relates to the oxygen sensor heater circuit, and if ignored, it can lead to poor fuel efficiency and increased emissions. In this video, we'll break down what P0053 means, show you exactly where the sensor is located, and explain how to fix it. And stick around till the end for 2 must-watch videos to help keep your car running smoothly. What does P0053 mean? The P0053 code is triggered when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects a resistance issue in the heater circuit of the upstream oxygen sensor, Bank 1 Sensor 1. The heated oxygen sensor, HO2S, helps the engine warm up faster for better performance and fuel economy. Symptoms of P0053: check engine light is on, increased fuel consumption, poor engine performance especially in cold weather, failed emissions test. Common causes of P0053: faulty oxygen sensor, HO2S11, blown fuse or damaged wiring in the heater circuit, corroded or loose sensor connectors, faulty PCM, rare but possible. The HO2S, Bank 1, Sensor 1, is the upstream oxygen sensor, meaning it is located before the catalytic converter, mounted on the exhaust manifold of the engine's first bank, Bank 1. How to find the sensor: open the hood and locate the exhaust manifold on the side where cylinder 1 is located. The upstream O2 sensor will be mounted directly on the manifold or just after it in the exhaust pipe. It will have an electrical connector attached to it leading to the engine's wiring harness. Refer to your car's repair manual for the exact sensor location based on your vehicle model. Check the oxygen sensor. Inspect the sensor for physical damage or corrosion. Use a multimeter to test the heater circuit's resistance. A faulty sensor will have high or no resistance. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for burnt, broken, or frayed wires. Ensure the connector is plugged in securely. Check the fuse. If the heater circuit fuse is blown, replace it. Replace the oxygen sensor, if needed. If the sensor is faulty, install a new OEM quality sensor. Clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and test drive the car. And that's how you diagnose and fix P0053 HO2S Heater Resistance, Bank 1 Sensor 1. A properly working oxygen sensor improves fuel efficiency and keeps your emissions in check. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos: P0036 HO2S Heater Control Circuit, Bank 1, Sensor 2. P0320 Ignition Distributor Engine Speed Input Circuit Malfunction. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car repair content from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.